Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix Xbox app error code 0x00000001 in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Can download or install Xbox app games. Go to the start menu and type W is reset and hit enter. This option is Windows Store Reset, and wait a moment. In this point, you can try install your favorite games or application of Xbox app in this section. Click on Get for try more games. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.